Hey everybody, Outdoor Medic here. We're going to be going over some subscription boxes today. So a few things first. If you hear any noises in the background, that's going to be my puppies. They're being a little anxious and obnoxious at the moment, so bear with me on that one. I'm into a lot of subscription boxes. I'm a nerd, as well as being into survival and medicine. So first one we're going to do is this Loot Gaming. I've had this one for a little while, but I have no idea what's in this one. We have two more boxes that I'm also going to be doing with you guys, so we'll be doing those ones as well. Yeah, let's just get started with this one. We're going to be opening this up with this little X-Acto knife. This is from Exotac. This came in the couple of missions ago, EDC 3.0 with BattleBox. Nice little thing, but I pretty much use it to just open up my mail. So let's see what's inside. And there's the pups. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's see what's inside. Alright, so every Loot Gaming loot crate. This one comes with a little Pac-Man. Kind of like that pen. I'll go in the collection there. Get this out of the way. Alright. Also comes with, let's see, what kind of t-shirt is this? Every Loot Gaming crate, every loot crate in general comes with a t-shirt. That's pretty cool. No idea what game that is. Soul Calibur. Yeah, I haven't actually played that. Probably end up giving that away. And what is this? It's like little eyes. Double fine. Made in China. 100% acrylic. I don't know. Interesting. Not quite sure what that is. Dark Souls. Oh, I guess I should do this real quick. So each one of these, I'm not going to go over it, but on the back of the poster that it comes with, it has what it's actually in the box. So we'll go over that afterwards. So. Sorry about that, folks. Puppies keep getting into some stuff here. Alright, so where are we at? Dark Souls. This little box here. Oh, it's like a pin set. It's kind of neat. I don't feel like they already give enough pins, but whatever. Silent Hill, always good. Oh, nice, a little coaster set. Made of like a sort of rubbery material. Pretty cool. I like that way better than pins. And then a Cuphead air freshener. Oh, nice. It's got the other color on the other side. New car scent. Ah, yes. Oh, okay. The Dark Souls wasn't actually supposed to be in this one. It was supposed to be in the last one. So really what you're getting with this is this hat, Soul Calibur t-shirt, Cuphead, Dark Souls pin set, Silent Hill, the pin, and very similar to the... Alright guys, so that's everything that came in the Loot Gaming box. So with Loot Crate you can get multiple different things depending on what you're interested in. For me in particular, I'm interested in gaming, and the next box coming up you'll see I'm also quite a bit of a Fallout nerd, so that's another one that they offer. They offer all sorts of things. And it's pretty cheap, as long as you go with more of an annual thing. That's what I did. I paid up front for a year, got Loot Gaming, as well as Fallout. I've tried some of the other ones. They didn't really interest me, but some of the other guys, maybe you want to check them out and see what they got for you. But that's pretty much all for today. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if there's anything you did or didn't like. And I'll see you in the next one.